Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your order email notifications on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over in here on your Wix dashboard. Then from in here, just scroll down until you can see the setting. Now under the settings right here, you can see this e-commerce setting. And then under that, you should be able to see some more settings that you can use for your e-commerce store. Now, what we can do is we can just head over and scroll down. Let's scroll all the way down until we can see this order email notification. Now, in here, you can actually just check or uncheck this if you want. Now, let's click on edit right here. And now we can see that we can actually change what is the content of our email. So we can also change the title, the subtitle, the footer title, as well as the footer description. You can also show your email address, or you can also just unshow it. And after that, you can just save this to your content. So let's try to save and preview this. Now, this is what it will look like for you. So we have here that we receive your order, which is the title, description, what they have ordered, the summary, and then the footer as well as the footer as description. Now, you can also just change the shipping confirmation. Just click on edit right here and you can edit it however you want. So let's also just edit this if we want to do this. And then let's see what it will look like on our preview. Now we have here what it looks like, as well as this one that we have actually edited earlier. Now we can just edit out this order confirmation, shipping confirmation, resend download links, as well as the ready for pickup email confirmation notification setting. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.